Hi, I'm Gareth and I work on the partner engineering team at Facebook in London. Today we're going to talk about migrating from credits to local currency payments. We recently announced that we are transitioning our payments product from credits to support pricing in local currency. In order to continue taking payments in your games on Facebook, you must migrate by the 12th of September. The new system simplifies the purchase experience by showing logical prices to global audiences and allows you to directly charge users in their local currency. It also improves performance by removing the requirement for blocking server calls during the purchase flow. In this new system, there's no concept of stored balance, and each transaction will directly bill the user. With local currency pricing, developers are no longer restricted to the 10 US dollar cent multiple that credits required. It is now possible to price the same item directly in any supported local currency, for example, British pounds, Turkish lira, US dollars, or Brazilian real. This allows you to set granular and consistent prices that won't fluctuate as exchange rates change. Let's take a look at the user experience when using local currency payments. War of Mercenaries from Peak Games is already live with the new system. When I choose to add gold to my account, they render their game store. I'd like to add 450 gold for £3.29. When I go to purchase this item, I see the price displayed directly in my local currency. As I have paid on Facebook before, my saved payment method is selected and I can click Buy to purchase the item immediately. The payment is processed and settled in real time, then control is returned to the game, which displays a confirmation message. Pricing directly in a user's local currency simplifies the purchase experience, as users will always see exactly how much they are going to pay. Now let's look at how the purchase flow works. When the user clicks a buy button in the game, the browser will contact Facebook to initiate the payment, specifying the product to be purchased. Facebook will first check its cache to see if it knows about this product already. If it's not found, then Facebook will make a request to your server for the product information. Products are represented as open graph objects. Once your server responds with the metadata, it will be stored in Facebook's cache, and the pay dialog can then be rendered. The next time a user goes to purchase this same product, the browser will again contact Facebook to initiate the payment. This time, the product information is stored in Facebook's cache, so the pay dialog can be rendered instantly without contacting your server, increasing performance of the purchase flow. Now I want to talk about a few key considerations when migrating to local currency payments. You should carefully consider which currencies you price your items in directly. A great way to do this is using Insights. Go to facebook.com/insights, select your app and click on the Users section. Scroll down until you see the section under Demographics and you'll see the countries where your app is most popular. To ensure an optimal purchase experience, you should consider pricing directly in currencies that are used in these markets. We also encourage you to create your own in-game currency. As seen here in Total Domination from Plarium, they allow the user to buy various amounts of their in-game currency, crystals. To try and encourage the user to purchase more, they also offer discounts for larger currency bundles. Once a user has purchased an amount of in-game currency, the developer then manages this balance so the user can easily purchase the in-game items they need. To get started integrating with local currency payments, check out the documentation at developers.facebook.com/docs/payments. You'll find detailed instructions as well as best practices to ensure you get the best out of using the new system. You also find a step-by-step tutorial which you can follow, along with sample code on GitHub. Remember, in order to continue taking payments on Facebook, you must migrate before the 12th of September.